The emotional times. Get out there. It's okay.
Oh my god, that looked awful.
Stop. It's okay. Are you sad? Because you don't get a calculator? But you're not gonna get your silver one. You're gonna have to stop. You're gonna have to stick to the black one. Nope. And what if Ian doesn't get you a ring for Christmas? I'll get it. Maybe. I know. Are you crying?
You guys are assholes.
The emotional times.